What is the original name of Luneta Park?
Rizal Park po.
Wrong!
Bagong bayan.
Correct! How many degrees are in a circle?
Alam ko yun, mat yan eh. Alam ko yun. 360 degrees.
Correct! Who invented the light bulb?
Alam ko yun. Ano yun? Wait lang po. Alexander Graham Bell.
Wrong!
Thomas Edison po.
Correct! The three basic trigonometric functions are tangent, cosine, and what?
Plus sign po. Plus sign.
Wrong!
Sign po. Sign.
Correct! What is the tallest mammal in the world?
Giraffe.
Ano?
Ako po.
Wrong!
Giraffe?
Correct!
Ba't may P? Coffee yun. Bagong mamal ko.
What body part do snakes use to smell?
Yung ano po, armpit.
Wrong! What body part do snakes use to smell?
Nose?
Wrong!
Yung ano po, tang.
Correct!
Nagkakit nose? Ba't army? May nose kayo, army? Ba't army? Kilikili yung snake.
What is the study of human mind and behavior called?
Psychology.
Correct! What is the smallest dog breed in the world?
Chihuahua.
Correct! What is the world's largest restaurant chain by revenue?
Makdo?
Correct!
Okay, sige. Sorry. Sorry.
In part of speech, it is a word used to describe or modify a noun or pronoun.
Verbs.
Wrong! Describing word.
Adjective.
Correct! Ano mga names nila?
Ano po? Kathleen po.
Ikaw.
Julian po.
Alright, thank you so much, guys! Nag-enjoy ako!